Welcome back viewers. In the course, after installing the SEO plugin, now it is time to do some on-page SEO and write quality content for our brand new website. So this is a very simple checklist for on-page SEO. So guys, we'll quickly go through this checklist. The first point is write best quality content. What is best quality content? The best quality content is that content which answers to the user's query or question. That is the content which is called the best quality content. Okay, use Grammarly for mistakes. Grammarly is a software, you can say, which checks your content for grammar and spelling mistakes. This is very important because search engines have become very smart these days and you should not make mistakes in your content. The third point is optimize SEO title. Place your keyword. This is the title of your page which you should optimize for SEO, and I will show you how to do that. SEO friendly permalink. Permalink is the URL of your page which should be very good in SEO friendly. I will tell you how to do that as well. Use H2 and H3 tags effectively. H3 and H2 tags are very important in SEO. These are headings and we should use them very effectively, and we also use H1 for the title. Now 6th point is add images and videos to your content to make it interactive and more engaging. Add external and internal links to your page so that will be more SEO friendly. Don't use too many images. Why don't use too many images? Because it will load your page. It will make your page very heavy and it will take more time to load on your browser. Okay guys, so after this SEO checklist, now it is time to write content. I would recommend you to write your content yourself if you are managing a blog or a content based website. If you are a company website or a business website, then you should definitely go and hire someone very professional to write content for you. There is a website fiverr.com where you can find freelancers and they will write quality content for you from starting from $20 and goes up to $50 to $100. You can see all the freelancers here, and you can also go to another premium service which is upwork.com. You can find a lot of freelancers there. Okay, now we'll have some different type of websites to write content. Our website is basically a blog, a content based website for which I have to write an article, and I have already written that article. And you might have a website like, for example, a service based website or a local business or maybe a restaurant. For example, I have written best dentist in London, so this website came up, which is the Wellington Clinic. This is based in London. So this is the website which is called local business. You can see their content. We can also write content for this type of website, or we might have an e-commerce website. You can see this is an e-commerce website and also based in London. So I will tell you, we are going to actually optimize the content, the article that I have written, which is for a blog. But I will also tell you how you can optimize your local business website and their content. So for example, this is the local business, Wellington, the Wellington Clinic. Okay, so after I optimize my article, I will come back and I will say to you how you can optimize this one as well. So I have written the article and it is straight in the Word file. You can see this is just raw content. Okay, so what I will do, I will just select all, Control C to copy this from this file, and will go straight to my dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Go here to the post and click add new. Okay, and I will add a new post, and then simply I will paste this content there because this is the content I have got from my writer. Okay, I will show you how we can add the photos, the free photos, from where we can get that, and how to optimize this whole thing. Okay, and also we'll do the SEO setting through that plugin we installed in last video. So I will just Control V. I have pasted the content here. You can see this is the WordPress editor. Okay, now what I need to do, the first thing in our checklist, the first thing is to optimize the title. Okay, so let me show you what is the title. This is the title in WordPress. This is the WordPress text editor where you will have to edit your posts if you are using WordPress. Okay, so this is the title. Now the title is best lens for travel. Best lens for travel, Sony A6500. Okay, this is a model, a camera model. Now our keyword is, this is a long tail keyword, right? Best lens for travel, Sony A65. Okay, I can also write little bit in square bracket, massive review. Okay, so this title is now complete, but how to optimize this title? Because this is already optimized. Why? Because the keyword is at the start of the title. You should always use your keyword at the start of the article. Like if you have best dentist in London, you should write that in the start, and after that you can write anything, but this should not go more than, like, more than 60 characters. Okay, keep it under 60 characters, and that we will see in the SEO plugin. The SEO plugin will tell us which text you are using more and which you should use more. Now after that, this is the content. The second thing is the URL. Okay, now the URL we can get after we click save draft. Okay, after that we can get the URL. Here you can see the permalink and URL slug. This editor has taken all the text as a URL. Here you can see best lens for travel, Sony A65. So for SEO friendly permalink, you should use the shorter version. Okay, don't make it too long. That is not SEO friendly. So we'll remove, after the A65, we will remove the rest of the text from here. Okay, so this will be normal and very nice. Why? Because you should use your exact keyword here, and I'm using the exact keyword here. Do not use any other word. So this is the second thing. I mean, the permalink, we have done that. Right, best quality content, optimize the title. Now H2 and H3. Okay, H2 and H3 tags, because remember this title is by default H1 tag. Okay, H1 means the heading one, which is which we can use only one time, and that we use for the title, because if we use H1 for the title, that will be SEO friendly and best practices. Okay, after that in the page we need to use H2 and H3 tags. So for example, in the start of the article, we have written a paragraph explaining what we are going to talk about in this article. This is the starting paragraph. After that, we are discussing different products. So what we need to do is simply, I will make this paragraph, I mean this, I will add H2 to this text, because I'm talking in this paragraph, I'm talking about this product. Okay, so this is the product and this is the description for that product. Similarly, when I go down here, this is second product I'm talking about, so I will make it heading 2, H2, and then I will do similar for all the content down there. Okay, I will make it H2, and sometimes I will use H3 if there is a topic within a topic. Okay, so I will do this all and then I will show you, okay, how I have done this, and at the same time I will add some images to this page so it can look like better page and user friendly, interactive. So I will add photos as well to this page, so then I can explain to you what I have done and how I have optimized the page. But for free photos, we can go to pixels.com, and for example, I need a photo right now for Sony. This is the article about Sony A6500. When I write that name, I will get so many images, and these all images are free. Actually, you can use it in your blogs, or that's just free. Okay, let's say I'm interested in this picture. Okay, so I click download and I will download this picture. Okay, now I'll go back to my page here, and the picture is here. Okay, here is the picture I have downloaded. But if you see, this picture has a very large size, and the size of the file is also 3 MB almost. Okay, so this is a very huge file. I cannot upload this to my website because it will take so much time for my site to load, for my page to load, and this will not be SEO friendly. So what I can do, I will just go to Photoshop and will open up that picture in Photoshop. Here is the photo. I will open it it here, and I will do simple thing, we'll go to file menu and save for web and devices. This is the option I'm going to use. So yes, I will resize this photo. Okay, so I will go and I will, because this is a very large size, so I will just make it hit 800 width, because that is what I need. After I did that, it has been reduced to a very, very, very low amount, 75 KB. Okay, so this is the best thing I have to do for my website. Okay, and the quality you can see is almost the same quality. Okay, so I will then save this to my computer, and after that I will upload it to my page or my article. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply now go back to my article. I will add all the images that I need for this page, and I will show you how I did that, okay, in a moment. Okay guys, so here we go. I have added the picture, the optimized and resized picture here. You can see that we have now optimized the title, the permalink, and the photo, and also I have added all the H2 and H3 tags. Okay, I can show you. This is the photo, then another photo I have for the product, because I want to show the text, the article, and also the photo, so that the user can simply read it and see what it is. So the more engaging content you have, the more it will be better for user engagement and also for search engine, because if the user is spending more time reading your content, search engine will automatically like your content, because they know that users are going to spend more time on your site, so they will rank your site better. Okay, then that is the photo there and the H2 tag. Then we have the content, and I have added some pros and cons for this product using a WordPress plugin called Pros and Cons. You can do that if you have a content-based website. Now here, this is H2 tag, and inside, since this is a topic within small topics are there inside this big topic, so I have used H3 for this headings, you can see here. So that means I have diversified my H2 and H3, and I have used them all, so it is better formatted content now. So after that, you can see here, if you click the details, you will see the characters, the words of articles, 22 headings used in paragraphs and blogs, and the content will look like this. Very nice, very clean, very, very sorted out, and this is the thing you should be doing. Okay, now we have optimized permalink, H2 tags, images we have added, videos I don't need to add here, otherwise I can add. Okay, and don't use too many images, means like if you use more than 10 images, then the page will be so much heavy. And one thing is that internal links and external links. Okay, when you are writing about something, for example, this is a travel lens, best travel lens for Sony A65. Okay, this is the article, the title. Okay, this is the topic. Now if you have any similar content on your site, for example, you already published something or you have pages on your site, then simply go and create a backlink here. I mean, interlink them with this article. Find some text, for example, camera lenses is the text. Okay, here you just go and click this add link and add a link of your site, already existing article, and do this a few times, like add some 10 to 15 links in the entire article. So that will help you reach more visitors, and search engine will find it very useful. Like they will find your other pages through this content. Okay, and you should also add some external content. For example, if I'm talking about some topic here, for example, let me find something. For example, Sony A65. Okay, so this is Sony A65 is a camera model. What I can do, I can simply go, for example, and add this website. For example, this is official Sony website, so I can take a link from here and add it here, or maybe a Wikipedia page, or maybe some very scientific something. So 2 or 3 links external, these are called external links. 2 or 3 links from very authority sources or very respected sources will help your article. Why? Because Google see, you have given some backlinks to some authority sources, some trusted sources. So Google thinks that you have done your research and you are also crediting them. So this is a good practice. Okay, after doing this all, you will just go and check. Here is the rank math plugin that we already installed. You will see that at the top right of your page on WordPress. Okay, so you have to click that in order to see how much score you can make for SEO. By default it is now 28 out of 100, so we have to make it green or maybe like more than 80. So what you will do, first of all, you have to add your focus keyword. In our case the focus keyword is this one. Okay, we'll add this keyword. I pasted it there, and now you can see it has gone to 72. The score is 72 now, right now. What we are actually missing here, focus keyword not found in your SEO meta description. Okay, so we have to optimize meta description. Now this data is for SEO. This data we see is for the content. Okay, this is not SEO data. Although our plugin will pick this from here, okay, this title, but we can change it in the SEO plugin setting as well. So the thing is, we are missing keyword in meta description, and focus keyword doesn't appear at the beginning of your content. It is not appearing here at the beginning of the content, but that really doesn't matter because these are still plugins and tools. So Google will understand your all keywords inside your content. You should write your content the natural way and for your users and readers. Okay, so there are a few errors they are saying, like focus keyword not found in subheadings. Okay, add an image with your, okay, we have to add ALT tag, okay, to our pictures. We have not added that. Okay, we'll do that. Let me do that and tell you what it is. Okay guys, so what is ALT text? ALT text is alternative text for images, because Google does not know what is this image about. So you have to add the ALT text. Once you click the image, you will see a box here at the right side, and there you have to add your keyword for that image. So I have added best travel lens for Sony A65 to this, and now see 2 points we have more in the SEO plugin. I mean, it has increased 2 points, and you have to do that for all the images. Okay, now once again I will click this thing, and I will go and click this edit snippet, and here the title is okay, but we will write a simple description here for this article, and we'll add the keyword in that so we can increase the score. Okay guys, so I have added description, and description should also be under 160 characters. What is description? Description is simply here. If I go to the Google page, you see this is the description. Okay, this will show up in Google results. This is the title, this is the permalink, and this is the description. So this description helps you get more clicks from the visitors when they are viewing your site. Okay, so we got 2 more points increased. Now let's see, add one subheading with this thing. Let's do something. Let's just copy this text. I mean, this is really not important to get higher score. 80 is okay, but if you really want to do that, you can do it like, here is, I will add the exact text in a H2 tag. Okay, so I mean, best travel list of, I can say like list of best travel lenses for Sony A65 2020. Okay, 2020 review. Okay, so this I have added to the article as well. It is also in the title, and also I have added it to the article and H2 tag. After that, you can see 85 is my score, which is quite good. Okay, so small changes you can make, and then your content will be like that. Now after you publish this content, we are ready to publish it because almost everything is ready. After you publish it, you have to update it. Once you think like the content is outdated, then you need to update it. After you update it, this plugin will let the Google know, and it is also a functionality in all modern browsers, that Google will know this page has been updated. So after that, Google will give it a slight boost, because Google likes updated content and fresh content. Okay, so the final thing is that we can simply preview this page. Okay, we can go to preview this page, and after that, if we are satisfied, we can simply go and publish it. So the content will be published on our website. So I can see this image should be centered, align centered, and the other content I see is okay, and I'm happy with that, guys. Our first article is ready to be published. So I will make it align center, and that's it, and I will just click the publish button. Congratulations, guys, we have posted our first article here, and I'm really happy about that. I can show you. This is it. It is already published, guys. And I will publish more and more articles now on this website, so we can rank this on Google, and I can show you the result, because I'm very excited. And I hope, guys, I have shown you everything practically. First I told you how to do it, the checklist, and then I have applied everything in front of you, and now we'll see the results, and I will show you the results also in our Google account. So the thing is, now come back to this website, okay, the Wellington Clinic. This is a local business. If you have a local business, what you need to do is simply go to your dashboard, open all the pages in the post, and simply when you see this type of headings, you can add H1 to the one time in the page, and after that H2 and H3. You can diversify them and add it in many places, like for example the dentist London team. You can make this H3 or H2. H2 will work more better. So similarly, you can go just add all of your content, all the address and stuff. For local SEO, I have another section in this course. You will learn local SEO there, but I'm talking just about content. You should add more content to your local site. And for example, if I open this thing like dental filling, okay, this is a topic on this website, so you will see this is the content. Okay, so this is the article here, or you can say the title of the page, and then they have used H2 here, H2 here. You can do similar things, that's very easy, guys. Just keep in mind the checklist. Once again, I have attached this checklist to the video. You should check that and then accordingly optimize your content. And similarly, you can do that for your e-commerce website as well. Just go to the product page and see the content and add the title and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed this lecture and you learned a lot from it. I will see you with another lecture in this course.